Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be reviewing Tracee Ellis Tracee Ellis Ross's new hair care line, Pattern Beauty. I'm so excited to try it. People are waiting on me to try this on my Facebook. So for all the ladies who are on that post that I posted when the products first dropped, here y'all go. I'm trying it first, okay? I got y'all. So when stuff dropped in the stores, I went, not the day that it dropped, I went the next day, and let me tell you, my store had nothing left. When I say nothing, I mean nothing. So I had to get the 3-ounce size shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in. That's all they had left. I wanted to get the bundle because they had the bundle of the travel size for $24. I was lucky they even had the conditioner that I wanted because I need the heavy conditioner, not the medium. The medium is for people with looser curls. And there's another one, it's the intensive one for more tighter, kinkier texture hair. But so I got lucky with that. I was lucky they even had a leave-in. I think I grabbed the last one. They had shampoo. The shampoo's for all textures, and the leave-in's for all textures as well. And I grabbed the last shower brush. The shower brush was $17, and I got the last one. So I looked up for this video. And for myself as well. I didn't want to get the full size because at first I'm like, I don't know if it's going to work well for my hair, so I just want to try the small bottles before I get a $25 bottle. And then I'll have to buy all 3 for $25. So I'm going to wait and see what this does before I even opt to even buy a product that's expensive like that, because I'm on a budget. Tracee, girl, I don't know who your target audience is. I mean, I know it's curvy girls, but what's their budgets? Because mine ain't that high, okay? Not for no hair products. And I don't like trying products and spending money and then they do nothing for my hair. But I will say I have watched other reviews and everyone is loving it. I've heard nothing but positive things about it. But everybody that tried it had like looser hair, like Tracee. Haven't seen anybody with coils or really kinky hair trying it. So here I am getting ready to try it. My hair is super dirty. I'm embarrassed to even show y'all. I have so much product and it's just so crusty and just nasty, but I'm gonna show y'all what I'm working with so we can see what it does, because my hair is so dry and it's supposed to moisturize and, like, you know, bring the curls out. So this is what we're working with here. Look at how dirty my hair is and dry. Like, all this product is ridiculous. I need to do better. Yeah, so I really wish I could have got the microfiber towel that she has, but like I said, my store was completely wiped out. I don't even know why, because there's not that many natural people here that I see. Mostly everybody where I'm at has like perms and stuff, but hey, whatever. They want to try it, cool. So I'm gonna wash my hair off camera with the hydration shampoo and then come back, show y'all what that's looking like, and then put in the conditioner on camera. So before I wash this out, I just opened it. I didn't open it, so I didn't know what it smelled like. It smells like a man. Like, it kind of has like a cologne, manly smell to it, but it smells good. I really like the packaging too. I think it's really cute. They all have different faces. Oh, and the brush. Just opened it. That's sturdy, okay? I am known to break brushes and combs, but That's sturdy. That's worth $17 right there. Hopefully. But based off how it feels. I'm back, and this is my shampooed hair. My hair is so, I don't know, like one side is healthy, the other side is not. I don't know what's going on. Like, see, healthy, not healthy. So we're just gonna put that to the side like that. But this is with no product, and my curls are like popping. Look at that, popping. The conditioner, heavy conditioner. Doesn't really have a smell, and that is thick. That's thick. Feels good. Shampoo felt really good. My head felt so clean. Immediately when I put it on, my hair was moisturized and it just curled up. Like, I don't know what the dime size amount is, but she doesn't say dime size amount. Nope, they don't tell you dime size, because they know, she know that naturals don't use dime size amount of conditioner. There is like the scents are very, very light. I might not be the best candidate for this because my hair is crazy. It's all different. There's a bunch of different stuff going on. My brush. I'm scared. My other brush does not do my hair like that. As of right now, I like the product. I love the brush. Like, it's actually better than the denim brush that I have right now. My hair feels super moisturized. My curls feel so good. I definitely feel like this could be a product to help me with my journey of growing my hair back out, because it feels really good, super moisturized versus what it looked like earlier. Clean and moisturized. I am going to rinse this, then come back and put in the leave-in. So we're all washed out. This is what it looks like. Look at this curl. Popping. My head feels really good. So let's go in with this leave-in. The leave-in smells just like the conditioner. I don't know. It smells like a flower. Feels pretty good. Has a lot of slip in my hair. It feels really good. I already know I'm not leaving my hair like this, but I might let it dry and come back. Depends though, because it's late and I have to style, so don't know. I really do like this. I might pay for it full price, the $25 bottles, because this is the only thing that has made my hair feel so soft like this immediately. My hair was so dry and brittle feeling, but this totally changed the feeling. I'm probably not gonna come back, but this is my review on Pattern. Ladies, try it. Just try the small bottles that I got. See if you like it. It worked really well on my hair. Like, my curls are so juicy. I'm not gonna let my hair dry like this. I'm just about to style my hair. I'll probably do another video of me styling it. I can't. I know we're supposed to be rocking our pattern. I love my pattern. I just don't like the shape that's going on here. Look real crazy. So when my hair finally grows out, I definitely will be rocking my pattern naturally with Pattern Beauty, okay? Tracee, thumbs up, girl. I love this stuff. So yeah, guys, definitely try it. That means a lot because a lot of stuff does not work for me, and my hair, I can't stop touching it. Like, it feels so good. It feels so moisturized. My curls are so defined. Like, without really even doing much. So just 3 products and a brush, and my curls are popping. So when she comes out with the custards and all that stuff next, which she probably will, I don't even know if we're gonna need all that because this is it. So rock your pattern with Pattern Beauty.